Hi everyone, this is Turing Institute and today we are going to write a hello world program in Python. So as you can see, this is my VS Code and it is one of my favorite IDE, though you can use PyCharm or IDLE or any other Python IDLE. We will use VS Code for now. So as you can see, this is my folder, and let's say I create a new file, hello_world.py. So now it is a Python file because I mentioned this .py extension. Okay, so as you can see, this is my file, and let's ignore it for now. So this is where we will code. So I want to display a hello world message on the terminal. So to start terminal or PowerShell in VS Code, you just have to press Ctrl+tilde sign. So as you can see, this is the active PowerShell. So and this is my current path. Here we will run our Python file. So let's discuss how we can display a hello world message on the terminal. So to display any kind of message in Python, we have to use a Python inbuilt function which is print. And how it works is like it basically takes an input which will be our message or number or anything as a parameter, and it will work itself and display that particular message that we want to print. So I want to print a hello world, so I have to write something like this. So this should work. Okay, so to check this, let's save this file and try to run this program. To run this program, we will use command python, and we will mention our file name here, hello_world.py. We have to mention the Python extension which is py, otherwise this command won't work. So now I press enter. As you can see, this is a syntax error. So as we discussed that we have to pass our message in between these parentheses, basically that's not exactly how it works. So for us it is right, it is correct, because that is how we write hello world, but for Python it is not correct. So basically Python treats these set of characters as a string, and what are a string, we will discuss it in more videos. So to make this work, we have to make our message a string. So to make a string, we have to pass our message in double quotes, or we can pass our message like this as well. So we will use both to check whether it works really or not. Okay, so these are my two lines, and if these are correct, this should work. So let's run this file again, python hello_world.py, and press enter. So as you can see, both the methods are working very well. So this is how we write a hello world program in Python. If you like our video, subscribe our channel, share our video, comment us and let us know, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thanks and bye.